Hey, welcome to this series all about making the most of this ingredient called Sucragel. Sucragel is a very versatile ingredient with which you can make many different kind of products, and that's exactly what I love about it. It's not just a one-trick pony where you just make a cream and then it ends up sitting on your shelf until you're ready to make the next batch. I find it very different from other ingredients because you can make really unique products with it, such as oleogels, which are beautiful, transparent gels, which are oily and perfect to use as a cleanser. I also like that you can use this cold process, so no heating required, which makes it a little bit easier. It is very common to find this ingredient in online cosmetic stores. I got this one at Alexmo, which supplies most of their ingredients in glass jars, which I love. Please note that this whole time I'm talking about Sucragel AOF and not CF, which are two very different products. So what is exactly Sucragel made of? When you look at the inky, it is basically sweet almond oil, glycerin, water, and sucrose laureate, which is all pretty straightforward except the sucrose laureate maybe. Sucrose laureate is a solubilizer, meaning it has the ability to bind water and oil together, since these two don't usually mix. Sucrose laureate is made of two components, sucrose and lauric acid. The sucrose part is a sugar molecule and lauric acid is the fatty acid, aka oil, derived from coconuts or palm. Since this product is naturally derived and no petroleum is used to manufacture it, it biodegrades easily and is allowed in natural cosmetic formulations. It is also well tolerated by people with sensitive skins, which is why it is often found in baby products. So how Sucragel basically works is that you slowly drop oil in the Sucragel, incorporating it at each stage. And yeah, it does take a lot of stirring, but your good old arm strength will do. Seriously, if I can do it, you can do it too. But for formulations above 100 ml, I do recommend using an egg beater since it does make it easier on your arms. So this sounds all too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, the truth is Sucragel does have some downsides. So firstly, it is a little bit expensive and you do end up using it quite fast since you need a lot of it for it to be effective. For example, as a cleanser, you need to add about 25%. For emulsions though, it is very reasonable. So another downside is that it is finicky to work with, especially with this whole adding it drop by drop and stirring it in between. It can be a bit tedious for the impatient ones like me out there, and when it fails, you really feel it fail because it's runny, it's not gelling up, and there's no chance of gelling it up after that point. It is just, no matter how hard you stir, it will still not gel up, which can be a bit frustrating, but luckily there's a trick, which I will show you in a second. One last downside in my opinion is that it is not palm oil free or made from fully certified palm oil. Right now it is only sourced from mass balanced palm oil. I do wish it came from a fully traceable palm oil source since transparency is very important in this palm oil dilemma. I don't want to go too much into detail on this issue for now, but it is certainly something I would love to do in the future and also show you more palm oil free formulations. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, with all that being said, I do find Sucragel an interesting ingredient that is easily accessible and is a lot of fun to use once you get the hang of it. So I told you earlier I would tell you how you recover a failed Sucragel. No panic. It is easy. Once you realize that your Sucragel has failed, you come to terms with it, you set it aside, and the next day it should have separated again into two different phases. You can therefore scoop the oil out and pour into a separate beaker. With this series, I want to show you how you can turn this one emulsifier into 4 different products, such as a leave-in conditioner, a cleanser, a body cream, and a body lotion spray. So now, without any further ado, let's get to formulating.